Hello friends, myself Javir Malik. Today I am going to show you the Toyota logo in AutoCAD 2018. Click on AutoCAD ISO DWT template. First, first of all, draw a center line horizontally of 125 mm. Then reduce the line type scale of up to 0.2. Then draw a center line vertically 125. Select ellipse, center ellipse, shift right click, intersect of two line, and then distance is 62.5 of radius. Shift right click, center mid between 2 points, enter a radius of 62.5 mm, then a radius of 37. Then take a offset of 5 mm each. Offset 5 mm. Then take a offset of 20 mm. Then again select ellipse, select again center midpoint of intersection of these two, and draw a distance of 20 and vertical distance of 32. Then again take a offset of 5 mm, offset, take a 5 mm, select the ellipse and make it outside. Then again select the ellipse and click on this intersection point of these two center line. Draw a distance of horizontal x-axis of 37 mm and in vertical direction it is 20 mm. Then again take a offset of 5 mm. Then go to trim section. Then go to trim section. Select ellipse second. Enter and trim all the entities inside this. Then take again trim command. Again trim section. Now we have two entities in open. We can't trim this. We have to select erase tool for this. Select erase function tool and select these two entities and erase. I think almost we have completed the logo of Toyota. Resume trim section. Now we have completed the Toyota logo. Select these two lines and increase the transparency of 50 up to 50%. Now we have completed the Toyota logo. To write down the total, just select the text tool, click on Toyota. Use the upper scale, enter value, bold, underline, value of 10 mm and select that option, make it blue. Now we have to draw the dimension for this Toyota logo. I am going to dimensions this Toyota logo. Select dimension, align. This is dimension of 74 mm. Thanks for watching this video. Please also share, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.